Hi guys, what I want to talk about here is the Wholetone scale, and the Wholetone scale of course is 6 equal notes a tone apart. Now the interesting thing about this from my point of view is, in studying this, is there are a number of Wholetone licks, or licks using Wholetone's scale in the Cheryl Bailey series. The one I want to look at now is lick number 42, which is called the tritone Wholetone. Now what I want to do this is sort of demonstrate how this lick can be used in 6 different locations, and conversely you can use it over 6 different chords. That is a dominant 7th chord, a tone up 6 times. So how we build these chords, basically we build them by saying that we've got a tone, each note is 2 tones apart. So for example in G7 augmented we've got G to B, B to D sharp, and then the one tone gives us the dominant 7. So basically 3 chords are inversions of each other. We've got G, which is G, B and D sharp. We've got B, which is B, D sharp and G, and the other one we've got is D sharp, which is D sharp, G and B. And then if you look at a tritone substitution, you can add in the A, the C sharp, and the other one I'm not too sure about because I haven't got my notes. So the whole idea is you can do the same lick over the same chord in different spots. So let's try that first, and we'll see how we go. So I'm just going to play a G7. I'm going to play this same lick. Over G7 and then over G7. We'll see how we go. Then we'll go to try it on A. Then we'll try it on B. Then we'll try it on C sharp. Then we'll try it on D sharp. We'll try it on F. That's the first part. Okay, so that's the first part. Now the second part is, okay, let's see if playing the lick in one spot works over G7, A7, B7, C sharp 7, D sharp 7 and F7. Let's see how playing it in G works over the chords changing, going up a tone, and let the ears be the judge and see what happens. See what it sounds like. I've played all these and I think they're all okay in each of the six different chords, which means that theoretically if you've got a lick using the Wholetone scale, or you play the Wholetone scale, you can play it in 6 different locations, and that means that basically each of the 6 is going to sound different, and so it's an easy way to get colour in using a sequence. And so anyway, let's play G7, or let's play G7, A7, B7, C sharp 7, D sharp 7, F7, and see, just playing the lick in G and see what it sounds like. Once again, let your ears be the judge. Here we go. it's over G, over A next. Over B7. And you can change the position of the notes too. So at B. C#7. D#7. F. So you get the idea. Basically, if you have a lick or a phrase or a sequence using the Wholetone scale, and the Wholetone scale is really easy to do sequences in because they're all equidistant apart. In a sense, there's really only two Wholetone scales. If you look at them each having 6 notes a tone apart, and you look at those 6 chords, you could also probably play the chord melody as well. If you think about it, if the G augmented the same as the B, which is the same as the D sharp, well then basically you can play them up and down, and also you can add in the A, the C sharp, and the F as well. But that might be one for another tape. Anyway, we'll see how we go with this one. Thanks, guys.